So shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Um, I have given you 7 o'clock time or 6:30 time.
6:30, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sanat Nayak, you are
Yeah.
appearing for Punjab National Bank Credit Officer interview.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you please tell us about yourself? You would like to speak in English or Hindi in the real interview?
Sir, both are fine with me, but I would prefer English.
Very good. Please speak.
Yeah.
And at least the
Okay.
introduction aspect you can give in English. Later on, as it progresses, if you want, you can switch over to Hindi.
Hindi.
I may be putting
Okay.
questions in English, but if you are comfortable in answering in Hindi, please answer. I can follow.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Good.
Shall
Please
I start?
tell us about yourself.
Okay. My name is Sanat Satyavan Naik. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I have completed my BCom from Neswadia College of Commerce, that is affiliated with the SPPU, that is Savitribai Phule Pune University. I have also completed my MBA in Finance and Marketing from Neville Wadia Institute of Management Studies and Research, that is a sibling institute of Nes Wadia, and it is also affiliated with SPPU. I have a very brief experience of working with Access Finance Limited as well, but I have not mentioned it in the application. So I
So
seek
don't,
apologies for that thing.
yeah, don't
Yeah.
worry. Talk about it. Don't talk about that. So now
Okay.
you are going as a fresher. When did you complete your
Yeah.
MBA?
In 2024, sir, 2024.
Yeah. But do you have a clear-cut certificate stating that finance is your major?
Yes, sir.
The degree certificate contains that?
Yes, sir. It contains
Very
that my major is finance and my minor is marketing.
excellent. Very good. I'm very happy. Please tell us about your family.
Okay, so I come from a nuclear family where I live with my father, my mother, and my sister. My mother is a housewife. My father is a rickshaw driver, and my sister is pursuing graduation right now.
So your father runs auto rickshaw?
Yes, sir.
Okay. He has been driving only auto rickshaw from the beginning, or earlier he was doing, say, um, normal old age rickshaws.
Uh, from previously, he's riding auto rickshaws only.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
What is the minimum?
Sorry.
What is the minimum charges for auto rickshaw in Pune?
Uh, current Currently, the minimum charges are around 27 rupees if you go for 1 kilometer as well, and the charges increases according to the time and the distance.
Now, auto rickshaws require fitness certificate once in a year, once in 2 years.
It requires fitness certificate, I guess, once in a 3 year. I think so, once in a 3 year, because I'm
No,
not
you're
into the
wrong.
auto
You're
rickshaw
wrong.
thing.
Please
I'm not.
ask your dad.
Yeah.
Please ask your
Yes, sir.
father.
Yeah.
This question will come to you
Okay.
because your father is an auto rickshaw driver. They will ask questions relating to auto rickshaw trade and what is the name of the auto rickshaw he is driving, when did he buy it, how long it runs, how is the profitability, is he using or petrol or gas, something like that.
Yeah.
Questions will follow. Please talk to your daddy to get to know details.
Okay, sir. Okay.
They may even ask you what is the average earnings he makes every day, like that.
Yeah.
They may even go to an
Okay, sir.
extent of asking, did you learn auto rickshaw driving? Do you help him at times? Something like that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay.
Be ready for such questions. Good.
Yes.
Sanatan Nayak. Now,
Yeah.
did you appear for Punjab National Bank interview last year?
No, sir. This is my first interview.
Good. Now, can you please tell me? Initially, you studied BCom, na?
Yes, sir.
You studied BCom, so that means you must be good in commerce and all that. Can you tell me what is a journal entry?
Sir, journal entry is the entry that we prepare the whatever transactions. So we whatever transactions take place during a definite period of time, we arrange it into a journal entry according to the rules and what are the golden three rules. We arrange it into the journal.
Now, for this question, it is better you give with an example. Supposing we buy a car for 10 lakhs rupees by
Yeah.
giving a check from our bank account, the journal entry will
So the
be
journal entry will
car
be
account.
debit to cash account or bank account.
No, no, no. Car account debit, credit bank account.
Okay, we bought it on credit card.
No, no, no. We are issuing a check.
Okay. Okay.
For that, the entry will be debit car account, credit bank. Money goes out of the
Bank account. Yes, yes.
like that.
I was presuming the I we
Like
bought the
no,
car in
you
cash.
should you should not presume. You should tell this is the situation. This is the equation or journal entry. You should tell
Yes,
clearly along with the
yes.
explanation that we write. Okay, good.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Can
Thank you.
can you tell me what is a trading account?
Trading account, sir. Trading. We maintain trading account to calculate all the direct income and expenditure that are directly related to the operations of the business. Say, for example, we maintain opening stock account in trading account, purchase of raw material in trading account, and direct wages that are required for the production of any product which we are producing. And in the credit side of the trading account, we enter the sales and closing stock mostly. And there are various other entries like sales return that we reduce from the sales, actual sales, and purchase return that we reduce from the purchase.
Good. You told correctly.
Yeah.
Now, please tell me what is a balance sheet.
Sir, balance sheet actually describes the financial standing of a business. It contains two columns that are asset and liabilities. Asset is what a company owns, and liability is what a company owes to other person. So basically, asset can be said as the resources of the company, and liabilities can be said as the liabilities can be said as the obligations that the company has to pay back in certain period of time.
Can you tell me what are the different types of assets a manufacturing company has?
So basically, we can classify assets into two parts. That is tangible asset, intangible asset. For intangible asset, we can consider factory, machinery, building, transport vehicles, and etc. And in intangible assets, we can say investments, our trades receivable, our investments, trade receivable, and goodwill as well can be considered as intangible asset.
Told wrongly. Intangible assets are those assets which cannot be seen or felt, like goodwill, trademarks, patents, and rights. You should have told me it is divided into non current assets and current assets. Under non current assets, we have, or fixed assets, we have land, building, machinery. Whereas under current assets, we have balances in the banks and also cash on hand, then the raw materials and also the finished goods and the receivables. Under intangible assets, we will have the figures of, say, preliminary expenses incurred and also, say, the goodwill and trademark rights, if any, the company has. Do you understand the
Oh,
mistake did committed by you?
yes, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me what are the things that will appear under the liability side of a bank of a regular manufacturer's balance sheet?
Um,
See, in credit
so
officer in credit officer interview, unless it
Hmm.
is specifically told it is for bank balance sheet. It only refers to the balance sheet of customers who are approaching
Yeah.
us for finance. Now tell
Yeah.
me the liability side of a balance sheet.
For a manufacturer, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. So basically, the liability side contains of capital, that is equity capital, preference share capital, and long-term loans, short-term loans, sundry creditors, and
yeah, correct. That's correct.
reserves.
But normally you should tell like this:
Yeah.
total assets minus long-term liabilities and short-term liabilities, like this will give you the balance of capital and reserves.
Okay.
That is how you have to conclude it. Normally, I read in a good video, it was told how to read a balance sheet. First, we should go through the asset side of the balance sheet. From the asset
Yeah.
side, we should subtract the long-term liabilities and short-term liabilities to arrive at the capital and the reserves.
Yeah. Okay.
Could you follow me?
Yes, sir.
Which bank are you having account?
Bank of Maharashtra, sir.
Oh, great, Baba, great. Who is the MD and CEO?
I don't follow. I have not followed that thing right now.
Which
I was
branch are
going
you
through
having
Punjab.
account?
It is in Pune. The branch name is Lonikan branch. It is a small suburban branch of five to six
Last
people working there.
last time, when did you visit the branch?
Day before yesterday, for the character certificate, I had to visit there.
Acha, good, good, good. You know the
Yeah.
manager?
No, actually, I have not met him because he is ill, I guess. From last 10 days, he is on leave.
Mhm.
The clerk said he'll be back by Monday.
Oh, very, very good. That's really good.
Yeah.
Thank God he gave you without any problems.
Actually, he'll be giving me on Monday. I have filled the application and whatnot, but
Mhm.
I am waiting for the stamp and signature of the branch manager.
Yeah, very good. Excellent. Good, good, good. Can you
Yeah.
tell me what are the functions of banks?
Functions of banks. So
Uh,
basically,
or
the
or you can also
yeah.
answer with products and services of the bank.
Okay. So, main core function of banks are to accept deposit and grant loans. Banks provide deposit facilities like current accounts, savings account, fixed deposit, recurring deposits, recurring deposits, and it provides loans like retail loans and business loans, loans for home loans, education loans, and whatnot. At the same time, it
No,
provides
don't,
some.
hello. You are attending an
Yeah.
interview. You cannot use the words like what not, etc. and all. You should try to explain properly unless they stop you.
Okay, sir. So shall I continue with the loans part?
The loans, yeah.
Yeah. So banks provide loans like home loan, car loan, education loan, gold loan, then a loan against property. At the same time, banks provide MSME loans as well. And going
Sufficient.
towards the
Sufficient. Can you explain
yeah,
what is KCC?
KCC is the Kisan Credit Cards. That is the Kisan KCC stands for Kisan Credit Card. It provides a short term. Sorry, it provides a medium term loan to the farmer, sir.
See, not medium term loan. It's a short term facility only. It is valid for a period of
Okay.
5 years, but to be renewed
Yeah.
every year. It is to be renewed
Okay.
every year. It's a short term finance only. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, you
Okay.
know how
Okay,
the
sir.
limit is fixed for KCC?
No, sir. Actually, I don't know, but I presume it depends upon uh, the land the farmer holds.
Good. It depends on the land holdings, how many acres of land he is holding, and what is
Okay.
the crop he is going to cultivate. And it is
Yeah.
based on the scale of finance marked for this purpose in that district. Every district, it will
Okay.
be different. For the same
Yeah.
paddy in one district, it may be one, in another district, it may be different, depending on various
Okay.
factors, as decided by banking that banks board, that
Yeah. Yeah.
limited bank will decide.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Good. Now, there were some
Yeah.
changes in the budget recently about Kisan credit card. Are you aware of that, or otherwise you go through the budget brief I have given you?
Yes, sir. I have to go through the brief, but what I have read, I guess, the previous limit was 3 lakhs, and now it has been increased up to 5 lakhs.
Super. Good. Very good. You told nicely. Now, what is the position now? Up to what amount there is no security taken for Kisan credit card? You may not
I
know.
have to
The
go through that.
answer is 2 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Answer is 2 lakhs. Good. Later on, you were making a reference about MSME. Can you
Yes, sir.
expand the abbreviation MSME?
Sir, MSME stands for micro, small, and medium enterprises.
Please give me definition of micro, small, and medium.
Sir, micro, small, and medium enterprises can be defined according to their investment and turnover. The investment and turnover requirements have been changed recently. So the new investment and turnover requirements are 2.5 crore for and 10 crore for micro enterprises, and then 25 crore is the investment, and 100 crore is the turnover for small enterprises, and 125 crore and 500 crore is the investment and turnover respectively for medium enterprises.
But you told this very correctly. I am very happy. Many people commit mistake in this. You gave me the correct definition. Can you expand CGTMSE?
Sir, CGTMSE stands for credit guarantee. Sorry, sir, CGTMSE stands for Credit Guarantee Trust for medium and small enterprises.
Good, very good. Do you know anything about Mudra loans? Tell me details.
Sir, I don't remember Mudra loan, but last time I went to the bank, I remember a chart where it said Shishu loan for up to 50,000, and Kishore loan was up to from 50,000 to 1 lakh. Yuva loan was from 1 lakh to 10 lakhs, and the Yuva Plus was from 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs. I might be wrong here.
You're wrong. Sishu is up to 50,000.
Yeah.
Next is Kishore.
Yeah.
Kishore is for above 50,000, less than 5 lakhs.
Oh, yeah.
And Tarun is above 5 lakhs, below 10 lakhs.
Yeah.
Tarun Plus is a scheme that has been introduced recently, whereby people who have availed Tarun loan and repaid it properly can be given up to 20 lakhs.
Yes. So I was actually confused for the Shishu loan for 1 lakh and
No,
5
no
lakh. I
problem.
was
Please
confused between that.
go through that properly. That will do.
Yes, sir.
You are
Yes, sir.
answering very well. Tell me, what is financial inclusion?
Sir, financially, in India, most of the people, like around 50% of the population of India, lives in semi-urban and rural areas where the banks and the network of banks is not predominant. So, RBI has launched, or RBI is focusing on financial inclusion of these people living in suburbans and rural areas, and providing subsidies for banks to set up branches in remote locations as well, sir.
No, there is, what is a subsidy for bank? I don't think there is any subsidy at all, except that RBI says it is compulsory for banks to open few branches in rural areas. That is the thing. There is no subsidy. But here, for this, your answer should be government has brought schemes like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, whereby
Yeah.
people can open an account with no balance. Because
Okay.
earlier people were not coming to the bank because they were not having money that they have to put into the bank. Now they can
Oh, yeah.
open the account without the minimum balance. The advantage of this is they can use this account for receiving credits from the government, maybe under women scheme or maybe under Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme and all that. For
Mhm.
receiving that, this can be used. You should not stop with that. Government has introduced Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha. You should study about all that. Atal Pension
Yeah.
Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. For all these things, you must know the details. You
Yes,
must
sir.
study. Good,
Yes.
very good. But your answer for this was not full. Doesn't matter. Please tell me what is expansion of GNPA and NNPA?
Sir, GNPA stands for gross non-performing asset, and NNPA stands for net non-performing asset.
What is the GNPA percentage of our bank? NNPA
Uh,
percentage of our bank.
yes, sir. For GNPA of Punjab National Bank in 24-25 was around 3.35, sorry,
Hmm?
3.95, which was
Hmm.
reduced from
Oh
5
no,
point.
you don't have to tell that. That is not.
Okay,
Tell the present
yeah,
position. 3.95,
yeah. So
correct. Now tell me,
3.95 is the GNPA, and
hmm,
NNPA is 0.4%.
are you sure?
Yes, sir. I was reading that thing before the interview.
So if you are definite, fine, right. Now, can you
Sorry.
tell me how this balance percentage is arrived? What is the formula for this percentage?
Uh, I have to go
GNPA
through that
figure
thing first.
GNPA figure divided by total advances into 100.
Okay.
Similarly, NNPA advances figure divided by total advances into 100.
Yeah.
समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
You are answering very well, but you need to study something more about banking, about loans, and all that. Please prepare seriously. What is the definition
Yes,
of
sir.
a small farmer and marginal farmer?
Sir, the difference between small farmer and marginal farmer is based on their land holding, sir. Marginal farmer is the farmer who has a land holding of less than 1 hectare, and a small farmer is the farmer who has the land holding of more than 1 hectare up to 2 hectares.
Good. Last question. In the case of
Yeah.
loans, what is LTV?
Sir, in case of loans, LTV stands for loan to value, where the loan amount which the borrower is asking for is divided by the property or the security that the borrower is willing to keep with the bank, and whatever the percentage will arrive will can be considered as
No, no,
LTV.
no, no, no. Here you're telling you're struggling. Loan to value, it is loan compared with the value of the property offered as security.
Yeah.
Normally, in the case of gold loans, they prescribe the
Hmm.
limit. Now, the limit has been prescribed up to 2.5 lakhs, 85% of the cost. Up to 5 lakhs, it is 80%. Above 5 lakhs, it is 75%.
75%.
LTV can
Yeah.
be given. That's what it is. Best wishes. You have done well.
Yes.
You can do still better.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.